Till now, we have discussed about the vitamins, their dietary sources, functions, recommended daily allowances. Now, and we saw that all water soluble vitamin, they require coenzyme for their activity, or they had a coenzyme. So here I have just tabulated all the vitamins and their coenzymes and the reactions in which they participate. So let's see. Now here in this column all the vitamins are there. These are the coenzyme form and the reaction or processes promoted by using these coenzymes. So the first vitamin, it is a thiamine, which is also called as B1. Its coenzyme is TPP, thiamine pyrophosphate, and it takes part in the decarboxylation reaction, aldehyde group transfer reaction. Another is riboflavin, that is B2. The coenzyme, there are two coenzymes, FAD and FMN, and it takes part in almost all redox reaction. While the pyridoxine or vitamin B6, its coenzyme is pyridoxal phosphate and it takes part in amino group transfer reaction. Nicotinic acid, vitamin B3 or niacin, its coenzymes are NAD plus or NADP plus. It also participates in redox reaction. Then pantothenic acid B5, its coenzyme is coenzyme A and it take part in acyl group transfer reaction. Biotin, coenzyme is biocytin and it take part in carboxylation reaction. While vitamin B9 or folic acid, its coenzyme is tetrahydrofolic acid and it take part in one carbon group transfer reaction. While vitamin B12, its coenzyme is deoxyadenosylcobalamin. It take part in intramolecular rearrangement. Out of these, some vitamins we have discussed in details in last videos. I have just make a table of vitamins and their coenzymes. Now here again I have tabulated vitamins and the major deficiency disorder, which we actually already discussed, but still let's see about this. Now first I want to clear this. Now let's start with the vitamin A. I guess all of you remember vitamin A, it is a fat soluble vitamin, and major deficiency disorder of this vitamin A, it is related to vision, that is night blindness. Then xerophthalmia, increased risk of mortality in children and pregnant women. Vitamin B6, which is also called as folate, it majorly related to anemia, then neural tube and other birth defects, heart diseases, stroke, etc. Cobalamin or vitamin B12, again it is related to megaloblastic anemia, which is associated with Helicobacter pyroluferus induced gastric. We are not going in detail because these are medical terms. Just we need to remember the major disorders caused by some vitamin, like vitamin B1. The major disorder, it is beriberi. For riboflavin, it's not very specific deficiency, but fatigue, eye changes, dermatitis, these are the disorders. For niacin, the major disorder is pellagra, which cause or which is related to 4D, which we already discussed. 3Ds are dermatitis, diarrhea and dementia. If these are not treated well, then it may result into 4th D, that is death. Vitamin B6, Again, not very specific, but it is related to dermatitis, anemia, fatigue. Vitamin C, the main disease is scurvy, and vitamin D, the main disease is rickets. So you need to remember, deficiency of vitamin A, it causes night blindness. Vitamin B1, it results into beriberi, niacin, pellagra. Vitamin B6, dermatitis. Vitamin C, it is scurvy, and vitamin D, rickets. So this is all about vitamins, their dietary sources, functions, as well as deficiency disorders caused by these vitamins. Thank you so much.